Here are 8 easy hairstyles that you can do with a claw clip. First, gather your hair at the back into a low ponytail. Twist your hair at the nape of the neck while pulling it up. Secure the clip and let the hair waterfall over the top of the clip. Fluff your hair around the clip as needed. Pull out face framing pieces. Claw clip bun. For a claw clip bun, gather all of your hair at the top of your head. Next, twist your hair into a bun. Clip your hair in the back under the bun. After that, fluff the bun and pull out face framing pieces. Half up claw bubble. Pull half of your hair back, just above the ears, to the back of your head. Then, gather your hair into a single strand and twist once to make it more secure. After, secure your hair with a claw clip. For longer hair, you can use a larger clip. Once the hair is secure, wrap the strand up and over. Secure the strand into the clip by opening it slightly. This should create a bubble look. For your last step, pull the hair over the clip to create a bubble. Knotted half updo. To start, pull half of your hair back just above the ears to the back of your head. Split the hair you pulled back into 2 strands. Tie the 2 strands into a knot. Then, tie the remaining hair into another knot. If your hair is long enough, tie the rest into a 3rd knot, but you can skip this if your hair is short or medium length. Once all the knots are tied, secure with the clip. Pull the knot if needed to create a larger, more voluminous knot. Knotted messy bun. Gather your hair at the back of your head to create a low ponytail. Then, split the hair you gathered into 2 sections. Tie those sections into a knot. Tie the remaining hair into another knot. If there's enough hair remaining, tie a 3rd knot. Take the remaining hair, fold over, and secure with a clip. Pull out face framing pieces. French twist claw. Gather all of your hair at the back of the head and create a low ponytail. Twist the hair from the nape of the neck. Using 2 fingers pointing down towards the neck, grip halfway up the twisted hair, twist again, and pull the strand up until the tail of the hair disappears into the twist. Finally, secure with a claw clip and pull out face framing pieces. Twisted half up. Pull half of your hair back just above the ears to the back of your head. Create a loose half ponytail and secure it with a rubber band. Then, create a hole in the hair above the rubber band. Pull the ponytail through the hole so that both sides look twisted into the tie. Lift the ponytail and secure a claw clip where the rubber band is, with the hair waterfalling over the clip. Half up bubble claw clip. Pull half of your hair back just above the ears to the back of your head. Then, create a half ponytail and secure it one time with a rubber band. On the second tie, instead of pulling hair all the way through, stop halfway, leaving a bubble. Secure a claw clip over the rubber band so the bubble is on top. Fluff the hair to create a fuller bubble. After that, pull out face framing pieces.